Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. And if you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. So today I am going to talking about a profitable activity book niche, which I will tell you about in a moment. So if you are already publishing books on Amazon by the KDP platform, or you are new to this, then following as I will tell you what this niche are. Now, if you have not been to this channel before, then welcome. My name's Ruma Roy, and I do videos on how to make it, keep it and grow it. So let's go Amazon KDP Marketplace. And we will search normally activity book, and here 70,000 results activity book. From 70,000 we can find out a small niche. Here to tell you awesome margin puzzles, over 20 brain branding challenges. Here preschool activity book. We can search, and also we can research small niche. So please wait a little bit. So here we can also search preschool activity book, truck, cars and airplanes. Here preschool activity book, truck, cars, airplanes. Now 251 results. Obviously this is a micro niche, and here 70,000 results activity book. But here I will find out 251 results preschool activity book, truck, cars and airplanes. So obviously this is a micro niche, and we can check out trademark and copyright. And we can search trademark, no trademark found. And we can also Google search. you can fully save and you can fully safely work on preschool activity book, truck, cars and airplanes. So okay, no trademark and copyright. So personally I think this is a really good niche to get into, and as I say, if you choose your keywords correctly and make good book cover and good manuscript, then easily upload on Amazon KDP and earn a lot of money per month. So here the review is already 1263. So obviously this is a profitable niche. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share my videos with more niche, more ideas. So thank you so much.